people have always made it a misbelief that earning money and getting rich is almost impossible. But the fact is that getting rich is not difficult, but you need to be different from your previous self. Different in the sense of work and lifestyle. But over this, there are certain tricks which can make you rich very quickly. Actually, these tricks are the enhanced version of the working style. In this video, we will be telling you the 10 of these tricks that will make you rich very quickly. Watch the video till the end if you really want to get rich. Now let's start. 1. Strive for what you want. Goal setters have a far higher chance of achieving their objectives than goal skeptics. Therefore, setting financial objectives is the first step in learning how to amass wealth. In order to know where you're going, goal setting is essential. Setbacks may be overcome and progress made with the help of goals. Make sure your objective is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound while planning for a better financial future. 2. Use a variety of money-generating sources. Those who are affluent and successful often have several sources of income. It's been reported that the typical millionaire has 7 streams of income. Their income sources might range from irregular employment or company to rental or dividend income. They take this action due to the realization that reliance on a single revenue stream is risky. Furthermore, diversifying your income will reduce your overall financial exposure. You'll appreciate the significance of this if you've ever felt like you were depending too much on one revenue stream. Perhaps you worry that something will happen to your work or other source of money one day. If you put in the time and effort to diversify your income, you can rest easy knowing that you won't go broke if anything happens to any one of your income sources. Multiple income sources provide security, allow for a more comfortable retirement, education on how to amass wealth, and so on. If you want to know the best ways to earn money, then do press the subscribe button and also hit the like button. 3. Create a budget to control your spending. Whether you have $1 million in the bank or are trying to get out of debt, a budget is a need. So, if you want to know how to become wealthy, you need start by making a budget. Making a budget is the first step in really achieving the financial objectives you've set for yourself. Even if you succeed in your endeavors, sticking to a budget might ease your mind about money issues in the future. Budgets serve this purpose by encouraging careful monitoring of cash flow. With a budget, you'll be able to pinpoint your monthly spending limits, your available resources, and the categories of your expenditure that may need more scrutiny. But few individuals can really stick to a budget. As a matter of fact, almost 60% of American homes do not employ a budget. 4. Start investing your money. Getting started is sometimes the most difficult element of investing for most. Moreover, I totally get it. How much money do you put in? How do you allocate your financial resources? Investing might be difficult at first, but the sooner you start doing it, the simpler it will become. You may set yourself up for financial success in the future by developing sound investment practices today. Keep in mind that time is on your side, and that the compound interest effect may dramatically improve your financial situation. Therefore, the earlier you start investing, the higher your return will be. Many people ask me about the concept of compound interest. Interest that accrues interest itself is called compound interest. Your savings may grow substantially as a result of this effect over time. The lesson here is that putting today's $100 in a savings account or mattress won't guarantee you the same return in the future. However, if you put that $100 into investments, you can grow it into more. 5. Having a good time need not break the bank. The stereotype of frugal people being dull has always bothered me. Obviously not the case. In my opinion, it is possible to save a sufficient amount of money for retirement and yet have a high quality of life. It's possible to have a fantastic lifestyle without breaking the bank. You may still enjoy social interactions, time with family and friends, travel, and more while adhering to a sensible budget. Learn to be content with who you are and how to have fun without breaking the bank if you want to amass wealth. 6. Reduce or get rid of your interest-heavy debt. One of the first things you should do if you want to learn how to grow wealthy is to pay off all of your debt. For the normal individual, this would include things like credit card debt, personal loans, and other forms of high-interest debt. Paying off debt may reduce anxiety and free up resources for other uses, like saving for retirement. The money you save on interest payments alone might be used to make significant progress toward your objectives. The first thing you need to do to get out of debt is figure out why you're in it. I think it's difficult to make a good change if you don't know the origin of your financial issue. 7. Earn some additional money. If you want to learn how to become wealthy with no money, being financially independent may need you to learn how to generate more money. The ability to bring in some more cash may do wonders, in my opinion. If you educate yourself on the various money-making opportunities available, you may put an end to living paycheck to paycheck, eliminate your debt, and more. Just take my word for it that increasing your financial stability is crucial. Within 7 months, I was able to pay off $38,000 in school debts, which allowed me to quit my job, travel the world, and follow my true calling. Making extra money is fantastic since it may increase your income to whatever level you choose. There is no upper limit on how much money you can earn, it only depends on your choices and how much effort you put into them. 8. Become frugal with your money. The idea that the rich fritter away their fortunes on unnecessary luxuries is a common misconception. Absolutely not the case. There certainly are tales of the wealthy who fritter away their fortunes to the point of ruin. Contrary to popular belief, most wealthy people practice thrift and budget well. You may retain more of your earnings, get insight into the secrets of the wealthy, increase your investment returns, and so on if you uncover methods to conserve money. You earn that money, therefore you should do all you can to retain as much of it as possible. 9. Give up on trying to win them over. You should evaluate how you now spend your money. When was the last time you made a purchase whose primary purpose was to make someone else jealous? The typical individual, sadly, does this pretty often. Stop worrying about what other people think and start caring about yourself if you want to learn how to become wealthy. The wealthy usually spend less than they earn. Many continue to indulge in wasteful spending habits, but they aren't necessarily struggling to make ends meet. 10. Take the time you have wisely. I once had a customer as a financial analyst who had an assistant whose only responsibility was to handle bill payment. The assistant's whole day consisted of jotting down reminders to pay bills like the monthly power payment. I felt it was very ridiculous at the moment. After all, I was struggling to make ends meet and keep track of my debt, so the idea that someone could afford to hire someone for such a trivial chore, one that might even be automated, seemed laughable. But now I understood its value. Actually, she saved her time and invested in self-education finances. That's all for this video. Now you know all the best tricks that will make you a millionaire in a very short period of time. Follow these tricks to earn money and amass wealth. Making money is not so difficult, only if you know the secrets tricks to get rich, but now you know these tricks. Even the millionaires like Sir Warren Buffett, Mark Zuckerberg follows these tricks to generate money. If you want to know more financial tricks, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. One like motivates us to make more amazing financial videos. Comment below if you are having any suggestions for us. Share this video with everyone. Thank you for staying with us till here.